Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are tackling a common issue with the Agaro Supreme Plus pressure washer, a burnt switch. Don't worry, it's a relatively easy fix, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So grab your tools, gather your patience, and let's get started. Locate the 4 screws on top of the pressure washer. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws carefully. Lift the top cover of the pressure washer gently to reveal the internal components. Look for the switch that controls the on-off function. You might notice visible signs of burning, such as discoloration or melting of the plastic casing. Before removing the switch, note the connected wires' positions. You can take a picture or sketch a diagram for reference. Remove the plastic casing from the terminals on the switch that holds the wires in place. Take your replacement switch and connect the wires to their corresponding terminals on the new switch. Attach the new switch in the casing. Carefully reattach the top cover of the pressure washer and secure it with the screws. Plug the pressure washer back into the power source. Turn on the pressure washer and check if it functions properly. There you have it. Replacing a burnt switch on your Agaro Supreme Plus pressure washer is a simple process that anyone can do with the right tools and guidance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more repair tutorials. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might have the same problem with their Agaro pressure washers. Until next time, happy washing.